Students, here fifth part again we have to find the cube root of 15,625. अब क्योंकि लास्ट में we can see the 5, so we will start doing prime factorization by 5. So it will be 5, so 5 it will go by 3 1 2 and 5. Again it will go by 5, so 6 2 and 5. Again it will go by 5, so 1 2 and 5. Again by 5 and again by 5, and here, so when we make group of 3 3, okay, so it's very simple. What we will write cube root of 15625 is equals to, in 3 5 के लिए 1 5 will come, and for this 3 5 1 5 will come out of that. So what it will become? It will become 25. So cube root of 15625 is equals to 25, and this is our answer. Okay, see again in the sixth part 1 3 8 2 4, and we will do the prime factorization. आखिरी में 4 है तो we will do by 2, so it will be 6 9 1 2. Again it will go by 2 3 4 5 6. Again it will go by 2, so it will be 1 7 2 8. Again it will go by 2. Again it will go by 2. Again it will go by 2. I am writing here. Again it will go by 2. Now this division do in rough column, because 2 1s are the 2 हो जाएगा, 1 will not go, so we will write 0 and we will bring 6 also down, and then you will get 108. बच्चे generally directly they write 18, then it goes wrong. So this particular division 216 divided by 2, if you want you can do in rough column. Okay, common area where students make mistake. Then we will go by 3. Now we will make the groups. ये 3 का हो गया, ये 2 का हो गया. This is also for 2. It is 2 and this is also 2. So what we will write? We will write cube root of 13824 is equals to for this 3 2 1 2 will come, into for this 3 2 1 2 will come, into for this 3 2 1 2 will come, into for this 3 1 3 will come. So we will multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 3s are, it's 24. So cube root of 13824 is equals to 24, and it is your answer. Now see seventh one. Again they have told us that 1,10,592 का cube root निकालना है. तो what we are going to do, 110,592, इसका हम prime factorization करेंगे. तो we will do it by 2. तो क्या होगा? It will be 5 5 2 9 6. Then again it is 6, so it will go by 2, so it will become 2 7 6 4 8. Again it will go by 2. Again by 2. Again by 2. Again by 2. 7 it is. 1728. Again it will go by 2. What will happen if it will go by 2? Then again by 2. Then by 2. Same division. 216 में be very careful when you are dividing. 18 आंसर नहीं आएगा. आंसर will come 108. And it will go by 3. Now we will make the groups. ये 3 का, 2 का, ये 2 का, ये 2 का, and this 2. Okay, so we will write here. कैसे लिख रहे हैं? Observe properly. Cube root of. Okay, 110,592 is equals to. I am writing here downside. Okay, no spaces there, so I am writing here. For this, ये 3212 will come. For this 3212 will come. For this 3212 will come. For this 3212 will come, and for this 313 will come. Okay, now we will multiply. So multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 16 3s are. What will be 16 3s are? 48. So it is cube root of 48. So 48 is your answer. Okay, means 1 cube root of 48, not cube of 48. मतलब 1,10,592 का अगर हम क्यूब रूट निकाल रहे हैं तो योर आंसर विल कम 48.